So dope collabs are common. We got the Seans, but we're not going to review those today. And then of course we got the off-whites, but again, that's not the special thing. We got the Artifact Air Force Ones. But first off, let's get into what it comes with. With every pair of Artifact Air Force Ones, you got this. As you can see, Nike and Artifact. And what it is, not just a gym bag. So that is what you get. You get a Artifact Nike Air Force One tee. And you can actually see the tag. Custom tag is right here. Comes to the shirt. You can see that you have all the sneakers. So you got the reptiles, the demons, angels, robots, humans, Genesis, aliens, Murakami DNA, undeads, and the Murakami drips. That's what we're gonna review today. Okay, back to the sneakers, because that's what you're here for. See the box has this clear, well, here am I, and the Clone X, get the Nike logo. So they actually said that they did the texturing of the box, so it's kind of like a video game, and it looks realistic. So if you actually move the box, you can see that the bolts and everything have a glare, where the other is matte, so it's kind of cool. So, like with the box, it's actually different than most boxes. It's actually a drawer on the side. So let's just get that open. Okay, so in the box, you actually get a carry bag. And you can see super textured Nike logo, Clone X, Artifact, and I think you actually get all the DNAs. You can see right here. So it's a really nice bag. See, it's like a textured material. Then it has like a little base in the bottom, so you can actually put the sneakers, and has Nike Artifact with a QR code. You can try to scan it, see where it leads. Okay, so now got the forged paper with Artifact, and just open it up. You see, it's an amazing shoe. This is an 8.5. Back, you see Clone X. So you got this like metallic swoosh, and it's actually clear, so it looks metallic, but in the right light, you could actually see through it a bit. You get the Clone X lace lock, Murakami details, of course, Artifact blade, and the Murakami logo. On this side, you get the Artifact blade, Clone X in the inside, and then on the other shoe, so on the other shoe, you actually have the bolt, which you can actually world merge. I'll link a video on top of what world merging actually is, but that's what the little bolt here is for. And on this side, you get Nike on the tongue. So here they are, the shoes, super nice. Here, these are going on ice. But I want to show you guys one more detail. So if you take out the insole, see, shoe right here, it's my personal pair. You can actually see the total supply in each shoe in the pack. And you'll see underneath, there's only 3,822 of these ever made, which is insane. So personal pair, I personally took off the vial, but you can see this is dead stock pair with the vial on. 10.5, 8.5, but yeah, overall super clean shoe, and I think they're pretty slept on, certainly for the supply and the amount of awareness. A lot of people that got the shoes aren't actually resellers, so they're putting them on eBay for the low. So if you're interested in these, definitely go on eBay, scoop them up before you know all the celebrities and the bigger influencers are gonna wear them. Because at the end of the day, it is an Air Force One, but it also is the first time that Nike collaborates with Takashi Murakami. And that, it's special, doesn't matter what shoe it's on, but the Air Force One is a classic. And you got the Artifact Blade, super sick, slept on, go on eBay. I know it's a little pricey, but it's gonna be much pricier in the future.